Hi guys, I'm the owner of a plywood factory. Due to the heavy workload of my workshop equipment, I need a system to collect wood chips to help me solve the problem. Fortunately, I found Decent Machinery. This team can put forward a lot of constructive suggestions for my workshop, which prompts us to reach a cooperation soon. I have received my equipment and it has been running very well so far. I would like to express my gratitude to Decent Machinery. First of all, I don't know about woodworking dust collectors, so at the beginning, Decent Machinery recommended all types of dust collectors to me. According to the situation of my workshop, we finally discussed and determined the choice of dust collector made of galvanized steel. Dust collector made for woodworking workshop. According to Decent, the thickness of galvanized steel is 1.8 millimeters and the width is 400 millimeters. Because we want to put it outdoors, it must have the characteristics of rain and sun protection, corrosion resistance, and long service life, which coincides with the advantages of galvanized steel. By the way, Decent also considered the potential safety hazards in the process of collecting sawdust, so we specifically recommend anti-static cloth bags with heat and flame retardant and explosion-proof functions. In addition, there are other options: explosion-proof windows, explosion vents, automatic sprinkler system, and alarm system. Thank you, Decent, for considering us so thoughtfully. After our discussion, we decided to adopt all the options. Secondly, I am very grateful to Decent for helping me choose the model. After we determined the material, we faced the problem of parameters. I showed Decent the layout of my workshop and the information of the workshop equipment. They can help me determine it quickly based on this information. The most important parameter of the dust collector: air volume. This has accelerated the process of the project a lot. What surprised me the most was that Decent Machinery made a very professional CAD design for me, including the placement of equipment and the layout of pipes, as if immediately let me see the picture of the dust collector in my factory. Because Decent has such professional experience, I have a clear intention of cooperation. Thirdly, after I placed an order with them, Decent had a video conference with us to summarize all of the details of our communication. After this video conference, he sent me a memo for reconfirmation. Such a professional and rigorous attitude makes us very satisfied. And they will show me the production progress of the goods every 3 days and send me order tracking. I can check the latest news on their official website at any time. During the period, they also used online remote monitoring to help me feel the production process of the goods more realistically. As well as that, after the end of production, we entered the test link Decent promised me. They helped me make an appointment with a professional third-party testing agency to conduct a strict dynamic balance test, air volume test, pressure test, pipe dust suction test, fan testing, and frequency conversion cabinet debugging, and provided us with a test report after passing the test. In addition, the packaging and delivery stage also made me very satisfied. Considering that the cargo area is too large, we need to think about how to use the container space more efficiently. Unexpectedly, Decent made a packaging plan for us because the galvanized steel is light and portable. It is easy to assemble, so it can be unpacked. In the end, the most suitable container solution was selected for us, which helped us save shipping costs. Of course, Decent intimately provided us with a very detailed assembly plan and chose CAD and PDF formats to be sent separately, so we can splice the dust collector in the shortest time. When the cargo is being delivered to our country, the Decent team will also update the ship's navigation information for me so that we can be more at ease. What's more, after we received the goods, Decent was very patient to help us solve all the problems, and the after-sales department contacted us and sent us the equipment maintenance manual and emergency contact information, which would make us feel at ease, so it is very professional. The after-sales service is my first experience among many Chinese suppliers. Finally, I want to tell everyone who is communicating with the Decent team that this team is worthy of your trust. Their production experience, export experience, and service attitude are very professional and respectable. And as far as we know, they all have CE, ISO, SGS certifications that everyone cares about, and they have been exporting to more than 120 countries. Decent has shown it to me. Similarly, I believe they will show it to you. So please firmly believe in the Decent team. They will give you a lot of surprises.